I'm talking about climate change. Okay, this article has sent by United Nations. Climate activities, climate actions. What is climate change? Climate change refers to the long-term shift in the temperatures and weather patterns. Such shifts can be natures due to the change in the sun activities or the long volcanic eruptions. But since the 1800s, humans' activities have been in the main driver of the climate change, primarily due to the burning of the fossil fuels like the coal, oil, and gas. Burning fossil fuels, green generators greenhouses gas emissions that acts like a blankets warped around the earth damping to the sun's heats and the rising the temperatures. The main greenhouses gases that are the causing the climate change including carbon dioxide and methane. This comes from the using the gasolines for the drivings of cars or coils for the heatings of buildings, for the example clearings lands and the cuttings down the forest can also release carbon dioxide. Agriculture's oils and gas operates are the major sources of the methane emissions. Industries, transport, buildings, agriculture, and land use are the amongst the main source sectors causing greenhouse gases. Women are responsible for global warmings. Climate, climates and Climates are responsible for global warming. Climate scientists have so, sorted sorts that the humans are responsible for virtually all the global heats over the last 200 years. Human activity like the ones the mentioned have are the causing of the greenhouse gas that are the warming the world faster than at any times at the last the 2000 years. The average temperature of the Earth's surface is now above 1.2 degree warmer than it was in the last 1800s before the industrial revolutions. The warmer that at any times the last 100,000 years, the last decade 2011 to 2022 was the warmest on the record. The earth of the last four decades has been warmer than any previous decade since 1850. Many people think climate change mainly mean the warmer temperature, but the temperature rise is only the beginnings of the story. Because the earth is systems where the everything is connected, change in one areas can infuse the change in all the other. The consequences of the climate change now include the among others instance drugs, waters, security, several fires, rising sea levels, floodings, melting poles, ice, catastrophic storms, and declining biodiversity. Peoples are experiencing climate change in diverse way. Diverse way. Climate change can affect our health, ability to grow food, housing, safety, and work. Some of use are the already more vulnerable to the climate impact, such as the peoples living in the small island nations and other developing countries. Conductions conditions like sea levels rise and the salt waters in, instructions have advised to point whose holes the communities have had to relocate the protected goddess are the putting peoples at the risk of the famines. In the futures, the numbers of the peoples dispatched by the weather's related event is expected to rise. every increase in the global warming matter. In a series of the UN report, United Nations report, thousands of the scientists and the governments reviews agreed that the limiting global temperatures rise to number no more than 1.5 degrees Celsius would help us the avoid to worst climate impact and maintains a livable climate. It politics currently in the place point is 3 degrees Celsius temperatures rise by the end of the country. The emissions that cause the climate change come from every part of the world and affect everyone's, but some of the countries are proud much more than other. The several biggest emitters along the China and United States of America, India and Europe Unions, Indonesia's and the Russian Federations and Brazil's accounted for the above the half of the all the global greenhouses has emissions in 2020. Everyone must take the climate actions, but peoples and the countries creating more than problems and have a great responsibilities of act first. We face a huge challenges, but already know many solutions. What will be solutions we can use to uh, control climate change? So many activities we can do that. Okay, this one is many climate change solutions can drive our economy benefits while improving some of the lives and the protecting the environment. We also have global framework and agreement to guide the progress, such as the sustainable development globals, the framework convenient conventions on the climate change and the Paris Agreement. Three bonds categories of the actions are the cutting emissions, adapting to the climate impact, and the financing required adjustment. Switching the energy systems from the fossil fuels to the renewables like solar or wind will reduce the emissions driving climate change. But we have to act now while growing the numbers of the countries in the committing to net zero emissions by 2050. Emissions must be cut in half by 2030 to keep warmings below 1.5 degrees Celsius. Having this means huge declines in the use of the coal, oil, and gas. Over two-thirds of the today's provisions reserves of the fossil fuels need to be kept in the ground by 2015 in the order to prevent catastrophic levels of the climate change. Adapting to the climate change consequences, the project people's homes, businesses, livelihoods, infrastructures, and the nature's ecosystems. It covers the current impact and those like in the futures. Adoptions will be required to the everywhere, but must to prioritized now for the most of the valuable peoples with the fewest resources to the crop copes with the climate hazards. The rate of the returns can be high yearly, warning the systems for the uh, disasters. For the instance, saves lives and properly and can drive the benefit of the 10 times of the initial cost. Why can play the bill now or pay dearly the futures? Climate actions require significant financial investments by the government and the businesses, but the climate in inactions is vastly more appensives when critical steps in for the industrialized countries to the fossil fuel fills there the commitment to provide $100 billion a year to the developing the countries, so they have adopt more towards green ecosystem. Thank you. Hey everyone, this is complete, not complete, but mostly complete topic. Now I'm feel now hungry. That's why I'm stopping this video. So please search in Google's what we can do, what is the reasons, how can they solve the problems, and what can one single peoples can do. Okay, so this is your work. I'm giving you tasks to do complete, and always try to do some things about our natures, and always think how can I reduce some fossil fuels use in our life. How can I reduce to use the coil? How can I use to reduce to in our rooms to use some all the AC fans and motors, etc, etc, etc. So many things are the, so many goods are the available and mechanisms are available to use in there is a lot of the resources have in our home. So try to avoid minimum 1 hours. We can, I think that if we will avoid 1 hour to running this, we save some money, we save some earth. Okay, and that's your one small effort. Earth can low radiated by the sun heat. So thank you, most welcome for watching this video. Thank you.